Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this video, we will delve into the Dyson SV14 motor warranty, covering everything you need to know to keep your vacuum in optimal condition. First, let's gather the necessary tools. You will need a T15 Torx screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and a soft brush for cleaning. These tools will help you access and clean the internal components of your vacuum. Begin by disconnecting the vacuum from the power source. This is crucial for your safety. Use the T15 Torx screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back of the motor housing. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them to reassemble your vacuum later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the motor cover. You may notice some dust buildup. It's essential to clean the internal components to ensure optimal performance. Use the soft brush to carefully remove any debris from the motor and surrounding areas. If you're unsure about performing this maintenance yourself, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your vacuum is checked thoroughly. Next, check the condition of the motor. Look for any signs of wear or damage. If you find any issues, it's important to act quickly. If you don't have the tools or expertise to continue, consider utilizing our pickup and delivery service at your home. This way, you won't have to worry about calls or travel, our team will handle everything for you. After cleaning, reattach the motor cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Make sure it's snug, but be careful not to over-tighten, as this can cause damage. Now, let's discuss the warranty aspect. The Dyson SV14 typically comes with a limited warranty covering motor defects. However, keep in mind that misuse or lack of maintenance can void this warranty. Always refer to your warranty documentation for specific details. If your motor is malfunctioning and it's within the warranty period, you might consider contacting Dyson directly for assistance or repairs. If you need help navigating the warranty process, remember, we can provide a quote before any repair is done, ensuring transparency and peace of mind. Finally, after reassembling your vacuum, plug it back in and perform a test run. Listen for any unusual noises and observe its performance. Regular maintenance not only prolongs the life of your Dyson SV14 but also ensures it operates at peak efficiency. If you encounter any issues or have questions about the warranty, don't hesitate to reach out to us for support. Our goal is to keep your vacuum running smoothly and reliably for years to come. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.